Hi guys, I'm back with a second video just to show you a couple more things about CommonLit and to show you how it's going to keep us connected while we're outside of the classroom and we have to be learning like this. So what I already showed you in the last video was that you can change the font size. So if you are having trouble seeing, you can make it bigger. What I also showed you in the first video is that we have these questions and they're called guided questions, and you have to answer them before you can read the next session. So as you can see, I read the first section and I answered the first question. So now I can scroll down and I can see the second little section to read, and I can click Q2 and it's going to bring me to the second question to answer. But back up here to the top, this is what I wanted you to see. So I'm going to click on question 1 again, and I want you to see two things. I want you to see that there is a read aloud option. So if you are having trouble reading it or you just want it read to you, you can click this option. And then the other thing that I wanted you to see is that we can actually do annotations or like do notes and highlight just like we could in the classroom on a regular paper pencil copy. We can do it right here in CommonLit, and I can see what you guys do. So for example, this first question talked about what Little Red Riding Hood is supposed to be doing, the request that her mother gave her. So if I go back and I find that piece of evidence that shows me the correct answer, that she's to bring cake and wine, I come over here, I can highlight it. So I would just take my mouse, click down, and pull it over the piece of evidence that I want. We're going to highlight this whole thing actually. Here's a piece of cake and a bottle of wine. Take them to your grandmother. She is ill and weak. So just act like you're going to copy and paste it like you would anything else. So make it blue with your cursor, your mouse, and then let up, and you see this has popped up on the side. So I can click whatever color I want to highlight it. So I'm going to click purple. It's going to be purple now. I can then go back and kind of highlight the same piece again, and I can remove the highlight if I want to, or I can add an annotation. So when I add an annotation, that's my own little note about it. And I'm going to just say that here her mother requests her to take cake and wine to her sick grandmother, period. Click done. And there my annotation is saved. So if you choose to annotate throughout your article, in which I do suggest you to because it's going to keep your brain actively thinking as you're reading, if you do that, when you submit your assignment, I will be able to see the things that you annotated, so we'll be able to make sure you're picking out the right text evidence. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Send me an email, do a comment in the Google Classroom, or get on our group Snapchat. The group Snapchat has lots of your classmates, 30 people or so are on the group. So if I can't get to you right away, one of your classmates probably can help you. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you're staying active. Try to do drawing every day. Try to do art every day. Try to read every day, and try to move, even if it is a dance video, whatever. Get moving and just stay active every day until we're back in session. And know that I'm missing you guys, and I wish school would start soon.